We have error code F47 on our induction cooktop.
What happened just before your cooktop displayed this message?
I was cooking a pot on one of the burners and it popped the breaker. When we reset the breaker, it came back on with error code F47.
How long has this been going on with your cooktop? What have you tried so far?
We've only used the cooktop about 10 times. This has not happened before.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I don't think so.
Thank you for using JustAnswer. My name is I am here to help. I am sorry you are having appliance issues. I know this can be frustrating. Also, I apologize for any wait time you may have experienced. Here is what the error code means. F47, Type 2, the user interface board cannot communicate with the power control board, and/or its fuse is blown.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.